Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 specific steps to make $500 per day in 30 minutes or less. Now, on the screen right now, you can see proof. This is a screenshot of my Stripe account. It's kind of like PayPal. And you can see that both of those days, I was able to generate over $2,000. So as you follow me in this video, you can take these 5 specific steps that I'm gonna break down and you can apply it to make even as much as $2,000 or more. This method that I'm gonna reveal to you is great because number one, it can be done in as little as 20 minutes, okay? I say 30 minutes, but once you get this down, you can do it in as little as 20 minutes. And it can be done anywhere in the world. A lot of people that watch my videos very closely are from different countries and they want to know, is this method worldwide? Well, this specific video is completely worldwide and you can apply this no matter where you are. And the other thing I love is you can rinse and repeat this method. So as you start getting results, you're never gonna have to worry about this not working anymore. This will work for years and years to come. In fact, this is the exact 5-step strategy that I've been personally using the last multiple years now to generate multiple 6 figures online. And I'm finally coming clean, pulling back the curtain and sharing with you this information. So what I want you to do is be sure right now to smash the like button if you're excited to learn this, because this lets me know, are these videos the kinds that you want to learn? Do you want to learn how to make a ton of money with very little work? Be sure to click the like button right now to let me know. Now also be sure to stay until the very end of the video though, because you're going to access a bonus method, again, to make as much as $2,000 per day on total autopilot. So I'm going to share with you how to take what you learn here and make it even easier, and you don't want to miss this.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Now, a lot of methods online take a lot of previous experience, or they pay you just a small amount of money and you can't really make $500 or more a day very easily. But this method works because the very first step is what we're going to do is something called affiliate marketing. Now, you've maybe seen some of my videos, maybe you've seen other videos on this topic. And if you don't know, basically what it is, in my opinion, the easiest way for anyone to start to make money online. And what you basically do is you find a product online and you find people that are interested in buying that product. And when you just refer those people to buy that product through your own coded link, you get credit and you can actually make money. So the very first step is we're gonna actually find a high-paying product to promote. With this method, you can actually promote a product that pays you $500 per commission. So you can see right here, the easiest way is to just promote a higher priced product, make 1 sale, and then bam, you've hit your goal for that day. Right now, I want to share with you a few different places that we can actually go to find a product to promote that will pay you a high amount of money, and then follow me with the rest of the steps. Now, the first site I want to share with you that you can find high paying products to promote as an affiliate is clickbank.com. All you have to do is head to ClickBank, sign up here for an account, and then once you're inside, go to the top and click Marketplace. Now you'll see all these different categories. If you know a type of product you want to actually promote, you can click, cooking, food, education, okay, health and fitness. And once you click that category, you just go up to the top, sort results by average dollar per sale. This is going to give you a range of highest paying products. These are the products we want to actually use for this method. Now, if you do use ClickBank to get your affiliate link to promote, you would just click promote, generate hop links, and you would copy this link. This is your affiliate link. Now you can also go to jvzoo.com. You can click this button here, create an account, and then once inside, just go to affiliates, find products, okay, and these are the products you can choose and you can get your links here. The last place to find high-paying products to promote that I highly recommend as my #1 recommended way is going to be in the first link in the description. It should take you to a page that looks something like this. It's a free application. Just go ahead and fill out these simple questions and you can get access to my #1 affiliate program that you can make as much as $2,000 per commission instantly paid. unlike the other ones that make you wait up to 2 weeks or more. Okay, now once we found a product that will pay us at least $250 to $500, the next step, what we want to do is we want to find a testimonial or result from that product. Now, the reason being is what we want to realize is people online, when they're going to buy a product, they are skeptical. Think of you for a second. When you go to buy a product, chances are you've wanted to see reviews. You wanted to see actual testimonials or proof that other people were getting results. If it was a product teaching you how to build muscle, then ideally you'd want to see people that were scrawny that have been able to build muscle using that specific product. So step 2, what we're gonna do is actually find a testimonial result for the product. Now, often on the sales page, which is just the page that our affiliate link will go to, this is where we can usually find good testimonials. Okay, now what we want to do is actually go to these pages, find them, and then screenshot them. Either we're on a mobile device, or you can actually snip it with a tool, a free tool on your browser, and then we want to collect these results, because this is going to be the way that we can start to make $500 in as little as 30 minutes. Now, to get results to actually promote, we want to go back to the affiliate site that we're going to promote with, let's say ClickBank in this example, and you want to open up the sales page by just clicking on the name of the product here. Now, once we're on the sales page, a little trick is you may just see a video. Now, they will usually share people's results in the video, but oftentimes they have this right here, prefer to read. And then once you click there, it will take you to a text version of the sales page. Now, you want to scroll down and look for results, okay? So as I did this, you can see here that these are testimonials. So it says right here, Kathy lost 46 pounds. So what I would personally do is get the snipping tool if I'm on a browser, and then I would just snip this, okay? And save this to my desktop computer. Now, this is the testimonial or result that we can share and start to get results as you follow the other steps. Okay, now once we found a high-paying product that we can actually promote and make money with, and we've also screenshotted or snipped some results from that sales page, the next thing we want to do is step number 3, which is choose a social media site that you like the most. Okay, now the reason you want to do this is because when we want to make money online and do it very easily, we want to realize that different social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, they have people, okay? Very, very large amounts of people that are potentially interested in the product that we're actually promoting. So we want to go on these sites and then use the rest of the steps, which I'll share in a second. But I want to ask you, what are you on the most? What social media platform do you personally use the most? Is it Facebook? Is it Twitter? Okay, maybe it's Instagram. Do you like scrolling through pictures? Is it Pinterest? Do you like repinning things? Are you on Pinterest a lot? Whichever one you're on the most, this is going to be the path of least resistance to apply this simple and easy formula. This is going to allow you to easily stay consistent with this method and start to make $500 or more a day. Now, let's say it's Facebook. What you want to focus on is just Facebook. Okay, a lot of people, when they first start off making money online, they want to go to Twitter, Instagram, and they get overwhelmed. I highly recommend, in my 5 years of experience online, you pick just one platform and you focus and apply this formula on that one until you start getting results. Okay, so once you've chosen a social media site, step number 3 is what we want to do is post 1 to 2 results per day on that site, following the formula that I'm about to share with you on the screen. Now, so let's say, for example, you really like Facebook. Let's say you're on Facebook a lot, you're scrolling through the news feed. Well, let's say you've also already found a high-paying product and you have some screenshots of people with results that they've gotten from that product. What we want to do is post 1 to 2 of those results on Facebook, for example. Okay, maybe 1 in the morning, 1 at night. You want to space it apart, or you can just do 1 a day. Either way works, but if you have a little bit more time, I highly recommend you do 2 results per day. Okay, now here's the formula that is very powerful. What we want to say is something like this: wow, and then insert the name. Now, when I say insert name, as you can see on the screen, what I mean is the name of the person that is in the result that you screenshotted. So let's say Mary with a health and weight loss product. Let's say Mary said, hey, oh my gosh, I lost 20 pounds in 10 days. Well, what we would put there is, wow, Mary was able to achieve, and then we insert their specific results that they said. So, wow, Mary was able to achieve losing, 20 pounds in 10 days. If you want to learn to do the same, comment yes or message me. Okay, now depending on if you're on Twitter or you may want to edit it slightly because they can't always comment. You could say, retweet me yes, or DM me if you're on Instagram. But that's the structure. Again, this is the exact structure I've been using to make as much as $2,000 or more a day online. And I really want to share this. Again, if you're getting value, be sure to hit the like button, because I wasn't going to share this. I was kind of resistant because this is literally the exact formula I've been following. But my mission on this channel, as you stay subscribed, is to reveal the exact secrets other so-called gurus online don't want you to know. So what we're going to do is post a text like that. You can either make it longer or you can keep it as short as this with the image that we screenshotted. Okay, so I want to share an example on Facebook that I just used so you can see how this works. Okay, now I'm on my Facebook profile and I want to share with you an example of how I posted an ad and you can start to get results with. Okay, so basically I had a result. Okay, this guy right here, he recently partnered with me in the affiliate program that, again, is at the link below. And he messaged me that in a very short period of time on autopilot, he was able to generate $2,000. What I did was I basically posted, hey, massive shout out, right? He took the jump with me in this thing and he hit $2,000. So I'm putting his name here and then I'm basically sharing the result that he got. Now I made a little bit longer of a post, which you can do, but it's the same formula. And then I said, hey, do you want to make passive income or not? Do you want to get the same results? Comment yes below. Okay. And then I had basically, 37 comments and people were asking for more information. I got people to reach out to me through Messenger asking how they can also do the same thing. Okay, now once we've made that post on our Facebook, on our Instagram, wherever that one site is that you chose, the step 4 is you want to send people who respond your affiliate link. Now, people that respond, basically what that means is, do they message you, for more information, or are they going to comment on your post and say yes? Okay. If they do one of those things, we're going to send them our affiliate link. So we're basically going to, send them your affiliate link and say, hey, check this out. This is the information that you want. And we're going to send them the link to the sales page of the product that we're promoting. Okay, so to break this down again, so far, what we've done is we found a high paying product. So we only need 1 or 2 sales to hit $500 a day. Step 2 is we found results, okay, of people that are showing proof of that product. Step 3 is we post those results on a specific social media site with people to see it. And then step 4, when we get people responding, we're going to send them our affiliate link. Now, after you follow that formula, you're going to start to make money. Okay, you will start to get sales. I have people from all over the world that have, worked with me and they've applied this process and they've been able to see some incredible results. Now, step number 5 though, is after you get results, you can scale, okay, you can make more money by going on more sites. Again, you want to stick with one main site initially, but as you start making money, then you can go to more sites such as Twitter, or you can add Instagram, you can add different sites and do the same process. And this is going to be how you're going to scale to make more and more hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day. Now, I want to share one bonus tip. Now, to really ramp this up even faster, you can start following or adding 30 to 50 people per day who are interested in the topic of your product. Chances are you may already have some friends on your Facebook profile or some Instagram followers. So when you start this process, you're gonna get people interested just from the product results that you're sharing. But if you want to take this to the next level, I highly recommend you start following or adding, again, about 30 to 50 people per day who are interested in the topic of your product. Now, why do we want to do this? Well, once you follow or add people as a friend, many of those people are going to check out your profile and either add you back or follow you back. So this will allow you to start building a following and gaining more people to market your product to. Now, as we grow this following, what's going to happen is if they're interested in the product, you will make more and more money. So I want to share with you a method on Facebook real quick that you can actually find targeted people that are already interested in the product you're promoting so you can make easy sales as soon as this week. If we go to Facebook, you can go to the search bar and type in a few different words that describe the topic that the product you're promoting is about. So for this example, let's say we're promoting a product that helps people lose weight. Well, I can type in weight loss right here. Now, once you search that, you want to click groups, and this is going to filter by weight loss groups. And what I recommend you do is you join some of these top groups that have thousands of members. Now, once you do that, you'll get access and you can actually go inside of the group. Now, once you're inside of the group, we want to realize that they have all these members. Now, I'm not a member of this group yet, so I can't see a list of members, but if you are a member of the group, you can click and this will add a list of these people and you can go ahead and add them as a friend. Now, I don't recommend you do too many at once, anywhere from about 30 to 50 people, okay, taking your time to add them. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds between each ad, and you will start to have people adding you back as friends. And that way, once you post, because these people are already interested in weight loss, they're gonna be way more interested in the product that you're promoting, and you have a great chance of making even more sales. Well, there we have it, my friend. I hope you got a ton of value in this video. If you liked learning these exact step-by-step strategies to make real money online, be sure to like the video. This lets me know that you want me to make more. Also comment what social media site you're gonna choose to apply this method. I'd love to actually read that. Also subscribe. I'm gonna be posting weekly videos just like this you do not want to miss out on. And last but not least, if you want access to a free training that's gonna reveal how you can actually make as much as $2,000 or more per day, and you can get access to dozens and dozens of testimonials and results that you can just copy and paste on your profile, be sure to click the first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.